Hey everyone, so I was asked by a few people how I did this design, so I figured I would show you guys. First thing I do is matte my nails. I feel like nail art goes on better, matte nails. I even do my Frenchies over matte nails. I just like it better. After I matte out my nails, I got my black liner gel. I'm using Snatched from Secret Nail Affair because it's the best. And I'm just doing like a wavy, diagonal, messy line going up and across the nail. And I'm going to do a second one and try to connect them a little bit. Now, to be completely honest with you guys, this was the hardest part for me. I struggled. I kept taking it off, wiping it off, and redoing it. And I think it's because you can't really do it wrong. It's supposed to be messy. So don't let this stress you out the way it stressed me out. It's not going to come out perfect because it's not meant to. I was kind of going for like cracks in the nails or something, kind of like that. So after you do that, you're going to cure the black in the lamp for 60 seconds. And that's what it was on each of the nails. Now I'm taking my Soul Wink gel polish. It's a cat eye collection I got from TikTok shop. And I'm putting a little dab of each color on my little palette. For my palette, it's a nail tip box, just because that's what was in front of me at the time. And I'm just going to put a little dab of each one of those on there. This is a great collection, by the way. It's linked to the video if you guys want to check it out. I take another liner brush, a shorter one this time, and I pick up a couple different colors at a time. So there, I think I picked up 3, and you just kind of float it on top of that black. You're not putting any pressure. I am very, very light-handed when I'm doing this. I'm just floating the colors on top. And then I go back and pick up a couple more colors, different ones this time, and I just keep doing that over and over again until the whole black space is filled in with the different colors of cat eye. I go back and I put like some brighter colors where I wanted it, just mixing it and kind of marbling it together as I go. And you just, like I said, you do it until you fill up that whole black space. And again, there's no like right way to do this. There's no wrong way. You're just filling in the space, just marbling it and having fun with it. This is such an easy design, you guys. Anybody can do it. Then I clean up the nail because you are putting quite a bit of polish on there, so you could mess up your shape, and you just want to make sure you didn't go outside the line. So take a brush with some rubbing alcohol to clean that up. And now I'm going to take my magnet and I am going to take that cat eye pigment that's in there and try to bring it all up to the top to make it all nice and shiny and gorgeous. See how pretty and bright it gets? It looks so cool. I love it. I absolutely love this design. It is just so pretty. That cat eye, you can see the different colors like in there, but they're like marbled together. It's so cool. So this was the other nail. I didn't show me putting the polish on the nail because I figured you guys don't need to see that again. But I wanted to show the magnet part just because that's my favorite part. And this nail I think is my favorite. I really like the way this one came out. Now this cat eye polish is very reactive, so just know it's going to move when you put that magnet close. It gets a little frustrating when you think you got it and then you just put it a little too far and it messes it all up. Isn't that one pretty, you guys? I really like the way that one turned out. And this was the other one that I did that I wanted to do a different shape. And yeah, so this design's super easy. Anybody can do it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I hope you like the nails. Thanks, guys. Love you bunches. Bye.